Oh, you completely missed! Luckily, we have more mannequins. Will it survive? Heads, heads, heads! Ah! Oh! Buckets! Jimmy, what if we drop the car on it? I think you know what's about to happen. Clearly that mannequin didn't survive. Next bit. Meanwhile, Will was desperately trying to protect his $50,000. He's honestly taken this way more seriously than I thought he would.
In the past 4 days, I've hired some professionals and we've already built the cinder block wall, filled it with mattresses, and we're already on our second cinder block wall. This dynamite is not getting through.
You blew my expectation out of the water. How about this? If you let me double the TNT, I'll double the money.
So $100 grand, double the TNT.
Yeah, but if it blows up, you get nothing.
Take the deal. Take the deal.
Okay. And while he kept working, the boys and I went bowling. And the bowling balls are these cars. I'm ready to see some destruction. Let's see if I get a strike. Hey, first bowl strike. Oh, it's not going straight. It's coming our direction. We should move. We should move. We should move.
Bowling, watch out!
Oh, into the field. There it goes. Oh, it's turning around.
Oh, it's coming back.
Oh, God.
It's coming back. The car's got a mind of its own. It's coming back.
Take number 2. Oh, that's a perfect strike. Oh! Let's go.
I love cars hitting things.
And if you're wondering, the other car is still going in circles. During this bit, me and the boys have been wearing some brand new designs, which you can now buy on our new store, Mrbeast.store. 3, 2, 1. We switched from shopmrbeast.com, which was very long, to Mrbeast.store. Oh my God! No way! Whoa! We just about died! I'm gonna show you how to just hit a full strike. Easy. Okay. Alright, here comes the strike, baby! A .store domain is the perfect choice for anyone looking to sell anything online.
That was the worst throw yet. That was the best throw yet.
That was awesome. If you're looking to set up a store, it should be a .store domain, so your customers clearly know that your website is a store.
This is Carl's car.
Unlike .com, Mrbeast.store tells the world that the website is my store. Oh, don't forget to head to Mrbeast.store and buy our brand new merch right now. Since I doubled Will's money and TNT, he's completed a 7-layer fortress of 20,000 pounds of water, mattresses, a cinder block wall, 4 mattresses, a second cinder block wall, an additional 32,000 pounds of water, all packed in with a final wall of dirt.
But I actually have another layer that Jimmy knows nothing about.
Jimmy
will never see this one coming.
What? Hey, Jimmy! How am I supposed to blow up Feastables?
That's the point!
And with the TNT doubled, it's time to put Will's bunker to the test. I also brought number 40 from 1 through 100 back to help us blow up all this TNT. You're in charge of the button. Don't press anything yet. Moment of truth! Whenever you're ready, press the 1. I'm nervous. Oh! Oh, that money's gone for sure. Oh my God! Look at that smoke cloud.
I can't even see anything.
Is it okay? Wait, I think I see money falling from the sky.
No! 7 days of work just went up in flames. I don't know if I've got this. I gotta see if my money's okay.
Why are we running? I'm running because he's running.
Oh my goodness! Oh, there's so many stacks!
We counted up the money and over $95,000 survived the explosion.
I just won $95,000!
Congrats on the 95 grand. Let's go see what happens if you drive a train into a pit!
Yeah!
And now is the moment you've all been waiting for. A train is gonna go full speed down those tracks into this giant pit. If you were on this train, where would you sit?
I put my mannequin in the cabin. Statistically the safest place to be on a train.
Alright, we got this.
Alright, we're gonna sit right on the front. You're not going anywhere.
Where you get the Feastables bar, a front row seat. Stop eating Hershey's. Eat Feastables. We have waited our entire lives for this moment. This is going to be epic. Nolan! Send the train! The train's coming! Let's do this! Oh my God! Here it goes! Oh my God! Here it comes! coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
You're kidding me? Yeah, my mannequin didn't survive.
Train versus pit, the pit won. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's end it with an explosion.